Here we go. This is Isabella.
Yeah,
She's
she
having
likes
her
the-
bath.
The cloth over there.
Oh, my bath.
Needs a bit warmer maybe.
Yeah.
Put water on her. That's nice, look, stretching your legs out.
She is, isn't she? Oh, they're straight out.
Are you ready to go swimming? Little pig.
You better stick up. Oh, she got that chocolate.
One open. Having a little cheeky look out of one eye.
Oh, just one eye there. Hello, Mum.
This one. There you go.
No, I'm afraid of doing a flash now.
No, it should be alright.
Oh.
Oh. Nice, isn't it? Alright then. Is that enough? Should we get you out? Alright. Can you
Enough?
have a towel for me?